Hello, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a quiz in LifterLMS. So we'll start out by going to the WordPress admin, heading down to Courses, and we will open the course builder on one of the courses. I'll click Expand All here, and head over and Edit Quiz. And so we can see right here this trash can icon is how we can delete a quiz. And we just click OK and the quiz will be deleted. Now sometimes what can happen is a quiz can become detached from the lesson, and there's no way on the back end to go through and delete that quiz. So how you can delete the quiz is by adding an existing quiz, searching it up, adding it into a lesson, and then deleting it from here. So if you end up with a lot of quizzes floating around on the back end of your site that aren't attached to anything, you can simply go into a dummy course, attach the quizzes, and delete them from there. I hope this video helped. Feel free to leave any comments with questions, and I'd be happy to help you out. I'll see you in the next video.